For a great vertex to lean on, the curves have its focus. Find the focus, vertex, and directrix of the parabola. X squared minus 4x minus 8y plus 4 equal to 0. Complete the square in X. Substitute back. Now isolate y. This is the parabola in the form. Where a point HK is the vertex and P is the focal distance. The coefficient 1 over 8 equals 1 over 4p. P is positive, meaning the parabola opens upward. Focus is a distance p above the vertex, since it opens upward. Directrix is a horizontal line, a distance p below the vertex. And just like that, we've uncovered the secrets of our parabola. May your curves always be smooth and your vertices well defined.